A purchase agreement lands on your desk 2 days before closing. You find the problem on page 43. Now you're the one making the Friday afternoon phone calls. Today we are breaking down how title companies, escrow firms, and real estate law boutiques are using AI to catch missing clauses before they derail closings. Missing clauses are not rare events. They are a routine cost of high-volume contract review. And that cost shows up in delayed closings, frustrated clients, and real legal exposure. Before we get into the tools, let's clear up a few things that hold firms back from adopting AI contract review in the first place. These misconceptions are costing firms time and competitive ground every single week. Let's walk through 4 practical solutions, from free to enterprise, that you can put to work right now. The fastest starting point costs nothing. Open ChatGPT, paste in the text of a purchase agreement, and use a prompt like this one. You're asking the AI to scan for missing standard clauses, non-standard language, vague contingency terms, closing timeline gaps, and title obligation issues, all organized by category. For a solo escrow officer or a boutique firm handling 5 to 10 files a month, this single prompt can catch issues that would otherwise surface at their worst possible moment. It is not a legal opinion. It is a fast, tireless first pass that takes minutes instead of hours. For title and escrow, professionals who want a purpose-built solution, GoHeather is one of the most relevant tools available. It analyzes purchase and sale agreements issue by issue, flagging liability risks, condition gaps, and closing pitfalls with plain language explanations. Picture an escrow officer in Phoenix uploading a file and getting back a structured report in minutes. A missing HOA disclosure deadline, a vague repair threshold, and an earnest money release condition, out of step with state standards. That early warning is the difference between a smooth close and a Friday afternoon scramble. Contracco offers a free real estate contract review tool that analyzes purchase agreements for contingencies, closing dates, title and escrow steps, and risk clauses. For smaller operations or attorneys who want a no-cost starting point, it delivers real value with no subscription required. A real estate law boutique representing first-time home buyers could run every new agreement through Contracco as part of intake, before the attorney even sits down to review it. Issues surface earlier, billable time is protected, and the client gets a better experience. Here is how these tools stack up across the dimensions that matter most to title and escrow professionals: cost, depth of clause analysis, and best fit by firm type. For commercial real estate law firms managing complex transactions, Legardis provides deep clause extraction and comparison against firm-defined standard templates. A commercial attorney reviewing a multi-tenant mixed-use acquisition can systematically flag deviations in representations, closing conditions, and indemnification language in a fraction of the manual time. So how do you actually build this into your daily workflow? Here is a practical implementation path. The implementation path is straightforward. A purchase agreement arrives and gets uploaded immediately to your AI review tool before it touches a human reviewer. The AI generates a structured flags report organized by category. Your attorney or escrow officer reviews the flagged items, not the entire document cold. Issues are addressed and resolved before the file moves to closing. That single shift in sequence, AI first, human second, is where the time savings and error reduction stack up across your entire transaction volume. Here is where the time savings show up across the key review tasks that consume your team's hours on every file. Before you pick a tool, run through this quick readiness checklist. Firms that check these boxes see the fastest results and the smoothest adoption across their review team. AI does not replace your judgment. It makes sure your judgment is focused on the right pages. The firms adopting AI contract review now are building a competitive advantage that compounds with every transaction. Missing clauses do not announce themselves. They wait until the worst possible moment. AI contract review tools give your team a consistent, tireless first pass on every file so the surprises stop happening at closing. Book a call, and we will map out exactly which tools fit your transaction volume, your file types, and your team structure. No generic advice, just a clear plan for your operation. and subscribe for more practical AI strategies built specifically for title, escrow, and real estate law professionals.